Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah and very good morning students. So welcome back to the series of grade 9 polynomials chapter number 2 polynomials textbook exercise series. So yesterday we have seen identities, the identity 1, 2, 3, 4, which we have studied in grade 8. Is it right? So let me recall. So the algebraic identities which we have learned in grade 8. So identity number 1 is x plus y whole square equals x square plus 2xy plus y square. Is it right? And the second one is x minus y whole square equals x square minus 2xy plus y square. And the third identity, an important identity, it is x plus y times x minus y. You write it as x square minus y square. And the fourth one is x plus a times x plus b. So that is equal to x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. So this is what we have studied. These four identities we have studied in grade 8, right? So in grade 8, what we used to do with this, they will give you the expression, understood, and factorized expression, and we used to expand them using identities. But in grade 9, we are going to factorize the expressions into left hand side. Is it right? So, and in this process, we have learned the fifth identity, a new identity, which consists of three terms x plus y plus z whole square equals x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Is it right? We have seen it. So now let us see the and yesterday in the last video I think we have seen till four questions, and let us now factorize using this fifth identity, the fifth problem of exercise in polynomials. So the question is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So you have to factorize it. So previously, when we had, for example, three terms, we used to check the square, whether the first term and third term are perfect squares or not. So for these kind of problems, what we do is check whether there are three perfect squares or not, because there are how many terms? There are six terms, right? When six terms are there, you have to go for the identity number 5 from okay, identity number 5. So let us check this. So is 48x square a perfect square? 48x, sorry, 4x square. So 4x square, can you write it as 4x square? We can write it as 4x square. It is equal to 2 square times x square. So can I write it as 2x whole square? So it's a perfect square. In the same way, what about 9y square? Yes, 9 is also a perfect square, y is also perfect. In the same way, 16z square is also a perfect square. So when you have three perfect squares, we have to go with identity number 5, right? So let me write identity number 5 over here. So what is identity number 5? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equals, how will you factorize this? We factorize using a plus b plus c whole square. Is it right? So now when you have done this, equate the squares. So equate, when you equate, and b square will be this one, c square will be this one. Now equate. So a square is equal to 4x square. So can I write it as 2 square into x square? So that is equal to, can I write it as 2x whole square? So a square is equal to 2x whole square. So that implies a is equal to what? If I remove squares and square, a is equal to 2x. In the same way, b square is equal to 9y square. So can I write it as 3 square into y square? That is equal to 3y whole square. That implies b is equal to 3y. In the same way, c square is equal to 16z square. So that is equal to 4 square times z square. So can I write it as 4z whole square? So that implies c is equal to 4z, right? So we got a, b and c. So now what we are supposed to do? We have to check the other three terms, whether they are getting satisfied or not. So first to take 2ab, 2ab, that is equal to, what is 2? 2 times, what is a? 2x times, what is b? 3y. So how can you write it as? 2 2 is 4, 4 3 are 12xy. So is 12xy satisfied? Yes sir, it is satisfied. Now, so what is the next one? 2bc. 2bc. This is very important, my dear students, please listen. So 2bc. So you have 2 times, what is b? 3y times, what is c? 4z. So that equals 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 yz. So does it satisfy 24 yz? Here the term satisfies, but the sign doesn't satisfy. And when I come to this, see the last term, it is also minus 16xz. So you don't have negative term in any of this. So how to find out, sir? So where is negative in this, in these two terms, right? In these two terms. So which is common in these two terms? C. So that means if I make C negative, so if I can make it as minus 4z whole square. So will it be 16z square? Yes, sir. And therefore, can I C is equal to minus 4z? Yes. So in place of C, keep minus 4z. So plus into minus, will it become minus 24 yz? Now, is it satisfied? Yes. So now, what is the last one? 2CA. 2CA is equal to 2 times. What is C? Now it is minus 4z multiplied by A. What is A? We got it as 2x. So that is equal to 2 plus into minus, minus 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16 zx. 16zx. Is it satisfied? Yes, sir. 16xz and 16zx is the same, right? So that implies, now since everything is satisfied, so therefore, we can write it as, actually I told you I don't have vertical space, so I am writing horizontally. So after this step, you have to write this. So therefore, you have to write the given one. This one can be written as a plus b plus c whole square. What is a? 2x and b 3y, that means plus 3y, and the c is minus 4z, that means plus of minus 4z whole square. So this is how you factorize. So that is equal to, you can rewrite it as 2x plus 3y minus 4z multiplied by 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Is it clear, my dear students? Good. So now let us see in the same category the second problem, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz, right? So keeping in our mind the previous problem where negatives came, let us check here also we have negatives, right? But now we have negatives in the fourth term and the sixth term. So which is common in this? X is common everywhere. So that means we have to make x as negative. Fine. And one more thing. So we have root in both of them. In fifth term and sixth, sorry, fifth, fourth term and fifth term. So that means which is common here? Y. So that means we have to keep in mind that y should be root and x should be negative. Understood? So now let us compare. So if we compare to this, a square is equal to 2x square. So 2 is not what? It is not a perfect square. So how will you write this? It's very simple, my dear friends. So that is equal to 2. Can I write it as root 2 whole square? Root 2 whole square, yes. And it is x square. So can I write it as root 2 times x whole square? Okay, and one more thing we have thought that a should be what? Because x is common, that means a term is common here and here. So what we are supposed to do? We have to take it as negative. So can I take it as minus root 2 whole square? You should not keep minus root 2 like this, then it will become a mistake because the whole square of its square and square root cancel, it will be negative 2, and here it is not negative 2. Okay, so it is minus 2 minus root 2 whole square. Understood, my dear students? A square, a is equal to what? That implies a is equal to minus root 2x minus root 2 into x, right? So a is equal to minus root 2 into x. So in the same way, b square is equal to y square. So there is nothing controversy in it. So b is equal to directly y. And what about c square? C square is equal to 8z square. What is 8z square, my dear? Do you have square root of so can I write it as square root of 8 whole square into z square? So that is equal to root 8z whole square. Is it right? Root 8z whole square. Understood? So that implies what is c? That implies c is equal to root 8z. Is it right? So now we got B and C. So we got A and B and also we have C. If you underline it, everybody, the one who is correcting your papers will understand it. Now, since we have found A, B, and C, let us check the middle terms. So, what is middle terms? Middle terms here means fourth term. Fourth term is 2 times A times B. So, 2 times what is A? We got it as minus root 2x. Fine. And B is Y. So, can I write it as minus 2 root 2 into xy? Yes, we can. Is it there? Yes, sir. It's we are satisfied. And now let us see 2BC. 2BC, 2 times. What is B? B is Y. And what is C? Root 2, root 8Z. Is that right? See, here I'll tell you in rough. So, what is root 8? Can I write root 8 as root 4 into 2? 4 2s are 8. Can I write it? Yes. So now when you have root in multiplication, what can I do? Can I distribute that root to both of them? So root 4 times root 2. We have studied the property of irrational numbers. Now what is root 4? It is 2. So can we write it as 2 root 2? Understood? So instead of root 8, can I write it as 2 root 2z? Okay, so now let us write in place of this 2 root 2. Now let us multiply 2 2s are 4 and you have root 2 y z. So is it satisfied over there? Yes, sir, it is satisfied. Students, you understand it now, but until and unless you practice, you will not get this idea, even for other problems. Okay, so please practice it. And what is the sixth term? 2CA. So 2 times what is C? 2 root 2Z. 2 root 2Z multiplied by what is A? A is minus root 2 into x. So that is equal to plus into minus minus. 2 to the 4. Okay, 4 times root 2 into root 2. What is root 2 into root 2? 2 times zx. So that is equal to minus 4 2s are 8zx. Now check whether it is satisfied or not. Yes, sir, it is also satisfied. So now once we got ABC, then we have checked the middle terms, and since they are satisfied, so underneath it, so therefore the given expression can be written as a plus b plus c whole square. What is a plus b? What is a? Sorry, minus root 2x. Then what is b? Plus y. What is c? Plus 2 root 2z whole square. Understood, my dear students? This is how we factorize it.